Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Alice in Wonderland look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and color it yellow. And then you're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear this skirt. Wait, this one. Okay, and for the first selection, you can color it blue. And for the second selection and the third selection, you can color it white. Okay, and let's go to the corset area. I'm going to go to this area and wear this corset. Okay, wear this corset and also the sleeves. We're going to color it blue as well. Oops, sorry. For the first selection, you can color it white. And for the next selection, you can color it blue. And for the third selection, color it white. And fourth selection, color it blue. And for the last selection, color it white. Okay, and then we're going to wear the sleeves as well. Color it blue. Okay, and for the shoe, we can wear this one, add sock, and I'm going to color the sock white. Okay, and we're gonna move to the accessory area. We're going to wear this ribbon and toggle it for color it blue. Okay, and we're gonna go to the stocking area. Wear the stocking. I'm going to toggle it no feet and color it white. Okay, and the last one, we're going to move to this area and wear this ribbon. Change the toggle to type 3 and color it black and wear this item as well. I'm going to toggle it type 3. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Alice in Wonderland look and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.